So today we are going to discuss option selling. So let's get started with the video. I'm going to discuss about basics. So we are basically option selling. There are two items here, put and call. So put selling and call selling. Okay, if put selling positions are added by, what I mean is OI or change in OI, if they are getting added, that strike acts as a resistance and price action will go down. If put side they are adding, that acts as support and price action will go up. Now we'll see live example in these indices. We'll begin with Nifty. So today Nifty had a day one. So yesterday we had a holiday. So we'll mark this as a day one. Okay. And then you could clearly see the price action today. First half was sideways, second half a little bit of profit booking in the downside. When you check for open is 600, 25, 600. Okay, so here is 600. This is open. So today this is the range and it's a day one, new beginning. So the decay will be slow and sustained. Okay, so this is resistance and support. Market was between 700 to 400. Okay, so in a broader range. So you could see OTM is positive because of the slow move, and when you check for ITM, resistance is strong, that's why it's positive decay. Maximum, negative maximum decay here because of the weak support in the second half. You could see here it's weak. Okay, we'll move on. So we'll move on to Bank Nifty. Similar pattern, Bank Nifty also we are going to discuss. So you could clearly see here, this is Bank Nifty's price action. All the wicks is simply SL hunting. Open was 57 700, 57 700. Okay, so you could see since these are monthly expiry pattern, the decay works very different for Nifty than the Bank Nifty. Okay, so this is our open. You could clearly see here resistance is strong. So we are seeing from seller's perspective. Okay, so that's why a strong resistance means positive decay in both ITM and OTM. A weak support means negative decay in both OTM and ITM. So you could see here clearly. Now the last one is Midcap Nifty. Finnifty is your homework. So Midcap Nifty finally entered into its profit booking stage. As you can see, first half downtrend, second half was sideways. 500 is the open. We'll keep 13,500. Okay, so here is the 500. This is also same monthly pattern. So it's positive here because you could see it's a strong resistance. Weak support leads to negative here. Okay, so positive. Therefore, call sellers are strong. Okay, you can also say that. Now we'll go to the important part. We'll try to observe the price action. So first off, we'll check is Nifty. So we'll do two things, straddle as well as OTM checking. Okay, so this is Nifty for today's data and this is the price action. Okay, so you could see it's 9 versus 6. So clearly 9 means, okay, 9 means resistance is strong. Okay, so that is reflecting in the market. And when you check for open is 600. So we'll take 600 LTP to check the straddle chart or triangle chart. So you could see it is a positive decay indeed, where the price action started and where it ended. Okay, always remember the first half will have more movements if it is a sideways day. Okay, now we have so we cannot classify as such, but I am telling you most of the day it happens. Bank Nifty 57 700. Anything can happen with price action. So yeah, it's just a SL hunting game. Bank Nifty 129 versus 63. So the OTM, here we can clearly say that resistance is pretty strong. Since open is 700, we'll check the LTP of the open. to find out the price action here. So you could see how beautifully the decay has happened in Bank Nifty as well. Okay, the last one is Midcap Nifty. So this is Midcap Nifty 1 hour time frame. Finnifty is your homework. OTM 14 versus 6. So here clearly resistance makes a difference. Open is 500. We'll check for 500 price action. And then you can see it is a long straddle day. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you. Keep supporting my channel.